Supercharge your profits. 5 powerful affiliate marketing trends for maximize growth. Hey there, welcome to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude creates wealthy altitudes. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you: the 5 powerful affiliate marketing trends to maximize growth. But before we dive in, do me a favor and give that like button a satisfying tap. Hit that subscribe button like a boss, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss a beat when I drop my next mind-blowing video. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to your winning journey together. With new trends and technological advancements constantly emerging, it's crucial that affiliates and advertisers adapt to this ever-evolving landscape. Whether you're looking to boost your earnings or simply want to explore new revenue streams, in this video, we'll take you on a journey through the latest tech and trends to help you do just that. 1. The rise of the metaverse. Welcome to the metaverse, a real-world simulation with a global audience, full of potential customers. Look, it may not be your go-to place to hang out on a Friday night, but the metaverse is steadily growing and is expected to become an $800 billion market by 2024. Household names are already getting involved. We saw Nike's success with Fortnite, where they partnered to allow players to purchase limited edition sneakers for their in-game avatar. The metaverse offers limitless possibilities for marketers to expand their affiliate marketing initiatives, but affiliates need to get creative. Whether it's through a virtual storefront, creating engaging experiences within the verse, partnering with other brands in your niche, or leveraging influencer marketing, the virtual world is your oyster. 2. Hey Google, optimize for voice search. Whether you prefer Siri, Alexa, or Google as your voice assistant, there's no denying voice searches are becoming a part of our daily lives. More than 1 billion voice searches take place every month. Integrating voice search into your affiliate marketing strategy means deep diving into the search queries your customers ask and optimizing your content for those questions and answers. Naturally, most voice searches are done on mobile, so make sure your content looks fresh on mobile devices. 3. Third-party cookies are crumbling. New privacy laws and regulations have made it a little tougher for affiliate marketers to find other ways to gather customer data. Third-party cookies are well on their way to going extinct, with Firefox and Safari already discontinuing them. While affiliates can still take nibbles from first-party cookies, many are turning to AI power tools to help track performance and gather greater customer insights and personas. Software. Delve. AI analyzes your Google Analytics data to recognize patterns and trends that help you identify your target audience and create laser-focused buyer personas. 4. Video is still king. With TikTok becoming the fastest-growing app in history, and 40% of Gen Z choosing it as their go-to search platform over Google, it's clear video isn't going anywhere. But it's time to leverage a certain type of video content called UGC, or user-generated content. UGC are videos where influencers, and also regular people, talk candidly about how they use a certain product or service. This type of video appeals to a larger audience as it feels authentic. Online consumers have become more savvy and conscious about making informed purchases, which lead the way for a culture of product reviewing known as social proofing. If video isn't your jam, spoiler alert, it should be, then written testimonials and reviews also work. Add them to your creatives for extra credibility and trust. If there's anything to take away from this video, it's that now is the time to experiment with your strategy. Explore the metaverse, think about voice search when crafting campaigns, and move away from third-party cookies to gather customer insights. In this fast-paced and competitive industry, staying ahead of the game is more important than ever. With forward-thinking strategies and a willingness to embrace the unknown, the possibilities are truly endless. If you're tired of the endless cycle of long working hours and the toll it takes on your well-being, it's time for a change. Prioritizing work-life balance is essential to reclaiming your time, health, and happiness. Take control of your future and explore new possibilities. If you're ready to break free from the confines of the 9-to-5 lifestyle and discover how to start making money online, it's time to visit Winning Wealthy. Our platform offers invaluable resources and guidance to help you navigate the path to financial freedom. Say goodbye to the exhausting grind and hello to a life of flexibility and abundance. Don't let another day slip by in the monotony of long hours and burnout. Embrace the opportunity to transform your life. Visit Winning Wealthy today and unlock the door to a brighter future, where you can finally escape the confines of the traditional work paradigm and pave your own path towards financial liberation. It's time to embrace change and embark on a journey that leads to a fulfilling and prosperous life. That's all for now. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching.